the sky, the sea, the forests. Nature, once so abundant, is now losing its lushness. We work day in and day out to create better, more sustainable products. Throughout this is one consistent philosophy: to enhance both people's lives and the environment through the products we manufacture. One such product is a new material that is the fruit of our research and development on cellulose manufacturing technology. NatureSphere, cellulose beads that return to nature. NatureSphere is made without using any organic solvents in the manufacturing process. Made only from cellulose, NatureSphere provides a natural alternative to conventional microbeads. They're better for the ocean, the air, and all living things. The beads can be safely returned to nature in a sustainable cycle, in harmony with the green and blue of nature. A bead born from the forest. NatureSphere.